What's up, guys? This will be my first trading recap video. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna be recording my trades and just uh, this will be just like a track of my journey, my trading journey. Um, so yeah, let's do a trade recap for today. So coming into Monday's price action, right? I seen from last week Sunday. My projection higher. We were in this -2 standard deviation here. We ripped straight up to it for my hourly rejection block, right? We ended up Monday coming up into it, and at 10 o'clock, which is a key open for me, um, we rejected out of that rejection block. So this hourly rejection block held, and we were bearish. You know what I'm saying? I seen strong bearish order flow, right? So what I was seeing was, all right, we left this big displacement candle with a fair value gap. We started chopping around here at market close. So what I was anticipating for Asia session was us to come up into this fair value gap for retest, and I want to see a rejection up out of it to go lower, right? So coming in as well, I did my volume profile, and it had some imbalance on it. You know what I'm saying? For the most part, it was kind of balanced, but we had some low volume nodes down here and up here as well. So for me, that is always it could be a draw on liquidity, depending on what it is, right? So coming into market open, I see us tap into this hourly gap right here, right? We tap into the hourly gap, formed a little doji candle and displaced down lower, right? Um, this right here, I seen a projection for my standard deviation to go lower. I feel like I could zoom out. And this is my projection, right? So it was just the first distribution leg. We really didn't have a manipulation before taking out opening price. So I just marked it out like that, right? And so we had the previous day POC was right here, right? And normally I seen that we sliced through it, so I was expecting a retrace up to it, right? And then for us to come down and hit our TP, which was like a 3-to-1 and low volume node, and then my full TP was another previous day POC and the low volume node of this volume profile. So with that, I was anticipating a retrace into this POC again, because I knew that sellers were going to be in control after this slice through and this retest right here, right? And I was also anticipating around this time, I told myself I might want to wait until market open for Asia at 8 o'clock, because we might manipulate one more time again, take out all these sell orders right here, or buy side liquidity, and then, fill these sell orders to come down, right? So, I kind of built the bullet on that one. We took a L, which is okay. Jeez. Yeah, I'm fine with that, right? So I mean, I only risked $200 on this trade right here, but to me, I really like this trade. So let me go on the 1 minute time frame, right? Come all the way up. So right here, we had that retrace back up, and I knew that we were looking to take out external liquidity, right? So what I was anticipating, like I said, was a retrace back up for internal liquidity sweep that then take out external, right? That's what I was anticipating, but I kind of jumped the gun on it a little bit. I entered right before, like 10 minutes before 8 p.m. Asia Open, and I bit the bullet on this. So we got this POC retrace, what I was anticipating, and then I was looking for this 1 minute inverse right here, right? I kind of got a little chopped entry or whatever, but this initially is what I was looking for, right? It would have been a nice little change of state right here, a break of structure, right? This is what I was looking for. So I would have entered like right about here, but I was on my phone and this and the third with the whoop. So yeah, so I had a little bit of chop entry, right? So I entered right here, somewhere along these lines, and market open, right? At 8 o'clock right here, and it just instantly stopped me out, right? It stopped me out, took out all this buy side liquidity right here on the internal range, and then we flushed all the way down to my TP. So that was the L I took today. It wasn't really too bad. That just goes to show that patience is actually key. And here as well, we tapped into our -2 standard deviation, barely. So that was another reason why I should have just waited a little bit, because we were zoning in close on it. Yeah, so patience is key. That is something that I am learning right now in my trading journey. And yeah, so if I would have waited a little bit longer, we would have hit for today. So it's all good though. Yeah, so that's today's trading recap. And like I said, I'm gonna be doing this every day. If I trade, if I place a trade, or if I don't place a trade, what I've seen. This is kind of just like a journal for me as well, just to hold me accountable of not over trading or over leveraging or just breaking my rules. So I have something to show and look back at these videos for, and it also could help one of you guys. So yeah, without further ado, yeah, the video is over. So I hope you guys enjoyed the trading recap. Yeah. Also forgot to put this clip in here too. This is me on my eval. I just bought a little 25K eval. So yeah, this is my P&L. And yeah, I just want to be fully transparent with everything. There's a lot of fakes out here, so yeah, I just want to be transparent with everything, y'all. So yeah, I just had to add in this clip. I forgot to put it in initially at the beginning, so yeah.